Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you are new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about a product review, and the product is from the brand called Makeup Revolution. Yes, it is their Makeup Revolution Foil Frenzy Creation eyeshadow palette. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. Comes with beautiful 15 shades, and the product quantity is overall 6.2 grams. And currently, to create this eye look or the whole look, I have used this color. Okay, just one shade, guys. You can just see how beautiful this looks. Okay, now the MRP of this product is 1350 rupees. You can get this product on Myntra, Purple and Nykaa, but currently on Nykaa you have no sale going on, so it is going to be at its MRP rate itself. On Purple there is 20% off going on, and on Myntra you're getting this product at 15% off. So you can go and purchase from Myntra because you're getting more discount and getting it at way too cheap price. Okay, and I shall give you the link in the description box below so that you can go and check it out from there, and you can grab it from there as well. Okay, let me tell you, this product is 100% cruelty free and it's a vegan product. This gives you one stroke application. You don't have to again and again use the same color to give you that the color payoff. You just have to apply it once and the payoff is amazing. It's beautiful, it's buttery soft. Okay, so let me tell you, if you are like me, who loves makeup, who loves creating different looks, so I believe that you need to have this, because you know, on occasion or on any parties you can just apply this color, and any of these color, it's going to look really good. Like, you know, just one color will change the whole look what you have done. So see, just one color I have used and it looks so beautiful. It looks like, you know, very rich, and the pigmentation is amazing. It's 10 on 10. The pigmentation is really very beautiful. So let me quickly give you the swatch of these. I'm going to swatch all the colors for you so that you understand it better, like how each color gives its payoff. Okay, so we will start from the first line. Okay, so here it is. Can you see how pigmented it is? It is buttery soft, guys. You can just see. Looks amazing. Okay, so the next row, just see. Can you see the pigmentation, guys? It is beautiful. And the last row, by the way, I don't have any color. Just see how buttery soft, and the color payoff is so good. This is a shade what I have applied today. Okay guys, you just saw the swatches and it is very clear that these eyeshadows are supremely pigmented. Okay, so if you are looking for an affordable eyeshadow palette, then you can obviously grab this eyeshadow palette. And I have created few looks and I have made some makeup tutorials also by using this eyeshadow palette. So if you haven't checked out those videos, you can go and check it out on my channel. And currently the lipstick what I have applied is the purple mini liquid lipsticks. I have reviewed them as well. If you haven't checked it out, please go and check it out on my channel. So yeah, that's it guys. So I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.